What is good, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. So this is gonna be a great video. A lot of you guys have been asking for this, and it's finally the day. Marcel got his wheels on, and it looks so good. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's get it.
No, why you gonna show everybody that? Hey, that's what you gotta do when you gotta do it to be lower, okay?
Why don't you just cut your snows? Short.
I don't know. I'm gonna get smaller springs though. This shit bounce too much.
You just got off work or what?
Bro, you're gonna bust a dome.
I'm ready for Halloween next year. What?
Oh, what's that?
Oh, time ending the vlog.
Did he get oil, Marcel? Oh, okay.
You only got a quart.
Wait, what?
You gonna plug in your landscape business? I'll put it in right here if you want.
No.
Do you have any shovels for sale?
Shovels?
Alright guys, so the wheels look crazy. It looks so good. Definitely worth the wait. But unfortunately, only after one day of stunting, Marcel... What happened, Marcel?
Huh?
What happened?
Oh, I lost a little bit of oil.
He cracked his oil pan, guys.
That's the first time you've done that, huh?
The first time he's done that.
Yeah, because my tire pressure is low.
So right now, Leo and Joseph are gonna go pick up some oil from Leo's house because I have like a jug left over. And yeah, Marcel's gonna be replacing his oil pan because it cracked. And yeah, and he's also gonna be lifting up his motor so his oil pan isn't so close to the ground. So that's on today's agenda. See you guys.
My brakes gave out.
Really?
Because they're all hard. It's because your car's off.
See you guys. So his oil pan is cracked. It's been dripping. That's why all that gravel or dirt, whatever, is right there.
That back too.
Sheesh.
Brought my Ronin.
Sheesh. Hey, what happened? He just...
I don't know, bro. He just left us.
Wow. Oh, there goes Leo.
Hey, tell me why that shit sounds like an airplane.
Just wow.
What you about to do?
You after I turn off this camera.
Oh.
Alright, so that's the new oil pan.
Refurbished.
Refurbished. Going in, my boy just cleaning everything. What my boy doing over there?
My boy getting a video.
When she wants round 2.
Like, play with it until it's soft though.
Hey buddy.
What you about to do?
What happened with the oil pan?
Nothing.
Why did it get dark out of nowhere?
Oh, time change. The fuck?
Hey Marcel, you got any tips for someone changing their oil pan?
No. Yep. Nope.
What's this button do? Oh, cool.
Oh, fuck. Oh, there goes $50.
Oh, this should go. Oh, rest in peace.
You got one good light.
Well, at least we got one. Hey, how many gallon or quarts supposed to go in? Like 4, 5?
What, on the thing?
Yeah.
Shit, I don't know. I'll just pour it until it stops coming out.
Well, guys, hopefully we got enough oil in there. Marcel said there's only like 2 quarts in there anyways when he drained it, so fuck it.
Yeah, there wasn't much that came out.
And his engine's been overheated?
Huh?
And his engine's been overheated too, right?
Like 4 times.
So you guys...
because my thermostat fell. Second was because the radiator hoses had to fit those, they were loose. And
Still running strong.
don't jinx it.
Alright, what is up guys? It's the next day. Marcel's gonna come over later. His oil pan took like all night, so he's gonna come over later. He still wants to raise his motor a little bit, so that's that. Right now though, what's going on over here?
I'm doing that famous JDM mod.
Famous JDM mod? Oh, you're gonna put a JDM sticker? Bro, what are you doing with this big ass wheel?
Cash.
No. Alright. Huh? No. So what made you decide to go down this famous route?
I'm bored.
I feel it.
I want to see something different, so why not plastic it and see how it looks.
You're right. So while my boy's cleaning the wheels and prepping them, let me give you guys a before and after. So this is Leo's truck. It's an 01, right?
Yeah.
It's an 01 Tundra. So that's before. That's how it's sitting right now. And we'll see if it looks meaner with the black wheels. My boy wants to switch it up. He's been wanting different wheels, but you know, as a lot of people do, before you get different wheels, you do. We tend to paint our wheels, the stock ones we have. So I mean, all right, let's say I think it'll look good. That black will definitely look a lot meaner. Hey bro,
What?
is this considered a mod?
Yeah, plastic dip's a mod. Didn't you know?
Wow, no, I didn't know. Are you sure you're the exact length away, bro? I don't think.
You wanna give me a ruler?
Nah, you're good, bro.
Alright.
Hi. How much for the strawberry crunch?
$1.50.
$1. Thank you.
Thank you.
What'd you get?
Me. I have a dream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, for sure.
Looks way better with the black wheels, even though it's just plastic dip. It does make the biggest difference, honestly. Looks a lot more aggressive. You like it, Leah?
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
It looks meaner. You look like a true butthurt now.
Yeah, I know, huh?
So then shame. Bro, I follow you on Instagram, bro. Dude, this is Domani in real life, bro. What's the dude, how'd you get the lips so polished, bro? Dude, what's the pin code on this? Bro, dude, let me see the door jams, bro. I saw it on YouTube and I couldn't believe I gotta see it for my own eyes, bro. Holy shit, bro. These door jams, dude, they really came out A1, bro. Only you can fucking do some shit like that. Bro. You know, on video it doesn't do justice, bro. This shit looks so much way better, bro. And this gold hardware, bro, like, wow, bro. And that front lip, dude, like, and the whole front end, bro, just looks so mean. Like, look at that, wow, dude. And like, bro, what inspired you, dude? Purple Rain, like, dude, what's... there's Must Be Nice fam right there, yeah. Cool. What's Joseph doing now?
He's working on this car.
Oh, he's cutting some shit.
It's always cutting too. All the way up. It can't stop. How do you get it that high?
It really does look way better. Ready to go hucky now.
Is build a ramp?
I'm not down. What do you think the HOA will say if we build a ramp right here and start hooking it? The block is hot.
Okay, at least put some cool music behind if you're gonna do it.
Hey Joseph, what's going on?
I
You
don't
want to
like
like tape it or something at least so you know where to cut? It's gonna be all crooked.
Yeah, no, I don't want that. Yeah,
Well,
I think I might have some.
I just have an idea.
It's like this. Andy,
Yes.
stop getting me like this, dude.
What, bro?
He doesn't want the subscribers.
Yeah,
to see-
Marcel shit's all clean,
see
all
his
done,
after
all
dark
nice,
side.
and mine's just fucking. I had Alexis and I treat
My
that shit
shit's
like
been
a
ashy for like 3 months. What do you mean?
You're only halfway there. Oh no! No! Joseph!
Shut up!
I told you to wait on the tape.
I can fix it.
It's all crooked.
No, it's not crooked.
Didn't I tell you to wait on the tape? No one listens to me.
That shit's crooked. No.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Hey, don't worry, Leo's gonna fix it.
Should I lift the car up?
No. I forgot this spins.
Kobe. Fuck.
Hey, leave it like
that
that.
shit's fresh as fuck, bro. Was that magnified or what?
Didn't come out too bad.
Yeah.
My boy came to the rescue. You happy with that, buddy?
Yes, buddy. That's alright.
I should run my skateboard. Yeah, this shit's small. It's perfect. That's a sick ass ride.
Hey, Leo.
What?
Why we come to Home Depot?
I want my plant.
I thought we needed hardware.
I want my plant.
My boy getting. You getting a plant too?
Yeah.
Bro, that's not gonna give you any type of oxygen.
Shit's stiff.
Hey guys, they got pineapples.
Really?
Yeah, you want one? The nursery. One of these. Bro, that shit's gonna fall
Get this
while you're
one.
driving.
The fuzzy one?
Yeah.
Touch it.
It's gonna slip right in your ass when you turn left. Bounce off the truck. Doom, doom. A money tree? I need a few of those.
Hey, we're really out here. Really out here in
Let's start at Brook Boys Nursery.
Nice.
Put it away.
Getting kicked out of Home
And
Depot,
that's
guys.
right back to your